How to find previously installed apps on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage Apps and Device. After you've clicked on it, you'll find Manage at the top. Click on Manage. Then click on this device at the top. After that, at the bottom, you'll find option which is not installed. Click on not installed. Then you'll find all the apps that was previously installed on your device. You can also click on name at the top right and you will find all these options again. Make sure it's recently updated and you're good to go. This is how to find previously installed apps on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.